What's goody, gang? So I had to go ahead and fast forward through this part of me doing my eyebrows. But if you guys would like to see me dedicate a video to just my eyebrows, please let me know and I will have that for you guys. I'm going to jump back on the audio real soon. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Gang, so I'm gonna be recreating this face look on this side of my face. So I'm gonna go in with my eyeshadow and I'm gonna go ahead and go into my Magnify Eye Reload Edition by Rimmel London. I might have said that wrong. So I'm gonna go in with this one right here. And this is going to be what is on the outside of my eye crease. So I'm probably going to start right here. And I'm going to be very light, but I'm going to move into circular motions. And I'm going to go down. And once I get out here, I got to be very careful because I want to make almost like a triangle effect. And when I get closer to the corner of my eye, I'm going to bring my brush down as I circle so that way the top is just lightly being touched and blended. Hopefully that makes sense to you guys. So then I'm going to come out and I'm going to then, from the side of my eye, I'm just going to go up in more of a circular motion again. And then I'm going to continue to blend, 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 blend. The main focus I'm trying to get at while I blend is not put any makeup right underneath here, because that's where I want my highlight to stick out and everything to do with highlight. So I'm going to continue to blend to my best ability. It looks a little blotchy right here, but that's okay. I'm going to add some makeup to fix anything that's wrong. I'm going to go under my eye with it because this is going to also be underneath my eyelid. And then I'm going to go in with a fluffy brush and I'm going to grab a darker color. So I'm going to dig into my Milani. I got a color in here that's broken. Please don't judge me. But I'm going to go into this color right here. And I'm going to put it underneath my eye crease. And I'm going to drag it all in between my eye crease. Like so. Now with this color, I am going to have it pull out and make like almost like a cat eye. But for right now, I'm just going to be focusing on blending this into my crease. Now, once I get the top blended, I'll then go in and pretty much just pat this into the corner of my eye to make that really dark effect. Because right now it's pretty much all spread out. I'll just tap it, tap it, tap it. Remembering that I also am trying to keep a shape alive over here. So then I'll have to continue and make that shape. And not forget about it with this color as well. Now I'm just going to pat it onto my crease. Just so that way it's nice and dark. Then I'm going to go in and conceal to make a cut crease. I'm going to use the same Maybelline concealer palette, but this time I'm going to go into the color green, which is just going to really cover the color that's already on my eyelid. Now for this, I like to look up and then just trace my eyeball, kind of, if that makes sense. I'm looking at the mirror, you guys. Too much, but that's okay because I can always go back with the brown that I used. Go ahead and try to cut the crease as much as possible. Okay, now I'm pretty much satisfied with how that looks right now. So I'm going to go back in with my blending brush. And now I'm going to dive into this Sassy palette right here. And I'm going to dot this in and pretty much just continue to be at the corner of my eye. But I'm just going to swoop all that eyeshadow this direction. So that way all the fallout will pretty much leave like an ombre effect on my eye. Now I'm going to go back into this palette right here, and I'm going to dive back into this orangey color with the same brush, and I'm going to go over the top just to define my crease more, and make sure it all blends together. Now once I feel like that is blended enough, I'm going to go in with just a regular brush, it doesn't matter, just something that I can pack eyeshadow on, and I'm going to take my Pixie, if I can find it, setting spray. It's makeup mist, it has rose water in it. I'm sorry if you guys cannot see that, my light is super bright. I'm going to spray the brush down, and then I'm going to go in with this matte color first. It's going to be this white
Beauty Mini Palette by Maybelline. I'm going to go in with this color right here. And I'm going to pack it onto my eyebrow. I mean, my eyelid, you need. And I'm going to try to fade it out. I like the way that looks. But I'm going to continue packing it on just so I can get a more defined under color. I'm pretty satisfied. So now I'm going to take the same brush and I'm going to wet it again with the setting spray. And I'm going to go into this palette and I'm going to go into this shiny, almost like rose gold color right here. And I'm going to pack it onto my eyelid. Normally with these glitter shiny metallic colors, I like to pack it on in a small area and then just continue to cover the rest of the area by doing the same method, just because it can build up and stay in one place, which isn't cool. But it's also a drugstore makeup palette, so the quality isn't always the same as a high-end palette. So it's looking a little patchy to me. I'm going to continue to try and blend it out. Now, I'm pretty happy with the way that looks. It almost looks better than this eye right here, so I'm going to just do some touching up to this eye. And so now I'm going to go back, and this time I'm going to take a fluffier blending brush, and I'm going to go into the Maybelline Mini Palette, the City Mini Palette, and I'm going to go into this brownish color, like this reddish color, and I'm just going to go in and pretty much try and blend out my inner eye to this color that I had just put on, so that way it all blends, and I'm not looking crazy when I turn the side of my eyelid. Now, once I'm happy with that, I'll move on to foundation. But now I'm going to go back into this Maybelline palette, this Milani palette, and I'm going to dot into the darker brown, and I'm just going to pack this onto my inner eye. Now, I can pack it on because I was able to blend around my eye. So I'm going to continue to pack it on. Now, I'm pretty happy with that. So now I'm going to go into my Super Cat by Soap & Glory eyeliner pen, and I'm going to create almost like a rainbow type eyeliner effect. This is hard to do on camera. Okay. That looks so hard to do. Oh my god. So I did that. And I noticed that this looks a little patchy right here. So I'm going to go back in with the eyeshadow, just one of the brushes that I used for the darker crease, and just kind of blend it out just a little bit more to my liking. And now I'm going to go in with foundation. I'm going to be using this Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 full coverage concealer, which the coverage is pretty nice. It's alright. I ain't too impressed. But I do like this foundation very much. I'm sorry, y'all. It may look like I used a lot, but yeah. Now, I did the other half of my face, so I'm going to just try and make sure it's as even as possible. I like to do foundation after, I'm getting it all over my hair, after I do my eyeshadow, just because if anything, I can go back and fix it. And I can also cut my eyeshadow to make it like smoother. Now, when I do foundation, I realize that sometimes I do mess up my eyebrows. So I can always go back and fix that. I'll get my neck. When I do my neck, I really just rub this down. I'll get my ear. And I'll pat. Make sure I get like my nose area, which is often underneath my nose, the part that I touch and I move around. So sometimes that part can look a little patchy. And so now I'm going to go back into my concealer palette. And I'm going to go into this green shade. And normally I will put it underneath my foundation, but I guess today I decided to put it over. On this side, I put it underneath. So they might look a little different. And I'll try to make like a nice, like almost like a triangle, a slanted triangle underneath my eye with this. And then I'll go in with my beauty blender and pat out the outside of that triangle, so that way it is all blended and whatnot. And then I'm going to go in with my Neutrogena concealer. You can also find all these, you can find this product at Walgreens. Not all of them, but this one, you can find it at Walgreens. And I'll try and trace the same shape that I did before. I just got my eyes, gotta see if they're all open. And then I'll pat it in. see that I'm messing up my eyeshadow a little bit, but that's okay because I can fix it. I'll go into my Fit Me powder, which I really do love because I don't experience flashback. And what I mean by flashback is when you put on a loose powder that is lighter than your skin tone and it just comes off very, very white on camera. This gives me no flashback. It makes my makeup really matte compared to this NYX Mineral one. This NYX Mineral one will give me flashback heavily. Is that even a word? I don't know. But yes. So I let that sit a little bit. I'm not a real big fan of baking. I mean, like, it is what it is. It is what it is. But I'm gonna let that sit for a minute. And then I'm going to take my blending brush and I'm gonna go back into my Sassy palette. And I'm going to go into this darker brown. And I'm going to fade out my corner because I went in with foundation. And I'm also going to drag this color underneath my eyelid to give me like a smoky under eye. I'm going to go back in and do the same thing on this side because this side isn't looking as dark. I really used to not be a fan of the under eye, but I think as I started to grow up, I was like, okay, it's cute. It doesn't look like I'm wearing too much makeup. So underneath my eyebrow, I do like to go in with highlight, so I'm going to dive into this highlighter. It is by Physicans Formula. I'm going to go in with this type of brush, and I'm going to dive into this, cut off the excess, and go underneath my eyebrow where I was trying not to put any foundation. I mean, not foundation, eyeshadow. I'm going to go in, and I'm going to just try to blend that out, making it as okay as possible. So at this point, I'm going to get to my favorite part and go in with this Maybelline. It is a powder foundation, full coverage, but I'm going to be using it more like a bronzer, like so. Going around my face.